In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom token to Metamask. First, open the Metamask extension or mobile app and unlock your wallet. Make sure you're connected to the network where the token exists, since tokens are displayed separately for each blockchain. Next, scroll down on the Assets tab and click Import Tokens. Select the Custom Token tab if it isn't already open. You'll need the token's contract address, which you should always obtain from the project's official website or another trusted source. After that, paste the token contract address into the appropriate field. Metamask will usually detect the token symbol and token decimal automatically. If those fields don't fill in, enter the correct information manually, then review everything carefully before continuing. Now click Add Custom Token, then select Import Tokens to finish the process. Return to the Assets tab and confirm that the token now appears in your wallet. If you already own the token, your balance should be displayed automatically. Finally, remember that adding a custom token only makes it visible in Metamask. Your tokens remain stored on the blockchain, and you can remove or re-import the token at any time without affecting your assets. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a custom token to Metamask. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.